Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to restore a WhatsApp backup on the VIVO V50. Alright, so I just downloaded my WhatsApp to show you the whole process, so open up your WhatsApp simply. Now the app welcomes us in here. Simply select your language, then click on this green button. Agree and continue, and now in this bar we need to type our phone number, so that is what I'm going to do now. Just give me a second. Okay, then click on next. Okay, and once you have verified your phone number, you will have something like that. In here click on continue, in here click on allow all, and now on the top, as you could see, we have looking for backups, and now we have option to restore our chats. Also below we can see how long ago the last backup was made, below also its size and the account on which we made it. Also, it is crucial that we need to be logged in on our settings on our phone into the same Google account on which we made the backup. Otherwise, we won't be able to restore our chats. Okay, you can read it also right in here. Restore your messages and media from Google storage. If you don't restore now, you may not be able to restore later. So if you want to restore, let's do it now. Okay, so now click on this green button, restore. Now as you can see, the process has started. In my case, it's not gonna take that long because I don't have that many messages. Okay, 70 messages restored. Your media will restore in the background. Then click on next. Now we have the profile info. In here, simply type your name, and if you are interested in the changing profile photo, simply click on this green button right in here and pick the photo from the gallery. Okay, now click on next. Alright, now we are ready to use our WhatsApp, and let's see. Okay, all of the messages, including the photos and the videos, has been successfully restored. Okay, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.